Hello everyone, I am Ananya Kumari from Become Professional EQ First Sem. Here I am giving a presentation on data table in MS Excel. Data table is a part of what if analysis. I would thanks to Raju Upadhyay sir for giving me a wonderful opportunity to present this topic. Introduction. Data table are the part of what if analysis in Microsoft. They helps analyze how change input value affects result. It also used to see the multiple result in a single formula. Meaning of data table. Data table is a feature of MS Excel that shows how different values of one or two variables impact the result of the formula. It displays result in a table format for easier comparison. Purpose of data table. First, help in financial and business analysis. Second, saves time for calculating many results automatically. And last, makes decision making easier. Here is an example of data table in spreadsheet. So you can see we have to calculate interest with the help of data table. Here, the interest amount of 5 years has been already calculated by multiplying principal amount into rate of interest and multiply by year. So we get result 55,000. Now we will select the data where we have to get the result. We will go to data tab, then click on what if analysis, then data table. We have to there is two options, row input cell and column input cell. The result we have want is in row, so we have to put 55 B4 in a row input cell. We have to press OK. Then the result has been arise of all the number of years. For 10 years there is 1,10,000 and as per the need. Conclusion. Data table is an important part of what if analysis tool in Excel which is used. It helps users to understand how change in inputs affects output. That's all from my side. If anyone has question.
Can you open the Excel? What if here we change the rate of interest for the years?
The interest amount also will be changed. As you can see.
Anybody else? Okay, Ananya.
Yes, sir.
Nice presentation. Thank you.